Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and use Canvas Design School for learning. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing you would do is to head over to the top corner of your screen. So here you find a design spotlight and you have business with a couple more options. You have education, you have plans and pricing, and of course you have learn. Now under the learning heading, you have create top designs. So we have assess step-by-step guides and create unique designs, logo maker, flyer maker, banner maker, photo collage maker, poster maker, resume maker. You have Canva blog where you can explore articles and resources, and you have design school where you can enjoy tutorials and courses. Of course you have events, and then you have the help center. Now because of this tutorial, we're just going to head over to design school. Yes, this is how to enable design school. So we're actually here. Now let's see how we can use the design school rather for learning. So learn how to design with Canva, thousands of tutorials on how to design like a pro, explore typography, design trends, color, and more. So you have Canva for beginners. All right, so you can just go ahead and click on start courses if you want to, of course, start with this Canva for beginners. Now you have other courses, right? You're getting started with Canva for education. You have Canva Pro for nonprofits, print advertising, and of course Canva design skills for students. Now I'd like you to know that these are not all the courses. Go ahead and click on see all to see all the courses that are available for you. Come on, we have a host of others. So if I go all the way back, you see that not just courses, but you also have tutorials that you can explore. So you have tutorials, all right. So new Canva features, and then getting started with Canva. I guess you definitely have like 20 lessons in here, and then you have 8 lessons. Stay organized. You have create whiteboard, designing with Canva, and just a lot of tutorials that will definitely help you. So let's say we want to start a course. Let's see how that works. So getting started with Canva for education, you can just open that up and see what it looks like. So here you go. Here is the course outline or the lessons. They have welcome to Canva for education, create a design, the Canva editor, collaborate, share Canva designs. All right. So once you go ahead and click on this play icon, you're going to see that your lessons will get started. So this is welcome, like this is an introduction. So after that, it's going to take you to the next lesson. All right, you cannot play. Okay, so this like the second lesson. All right, so you can play. All right, and then you can even hop into other lessons, all right, that you are interested in. So right here you can see key learnings, right? So for each of the lessons, and then you even have transcripts of what exactly you're seeing in the videos to actually aid your learning process. And then you have the experts. All right, so this is just pretty much it. That's the people behind this particular lesson. So this is pretty much how you can use or how you can explore Canva Design School. As you can see, it's free and the lessons are really exhaustive and beautiful. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.